Hello everyone, welcome back to Housey. मैं हूँ सृष्टि वार and today we will be revealing the teaser of a newly launched project by Oberoi Realty, which is located in Pokhran Road, number 2, Thane West. But first, let us know what is Housey and how does it benefit you. Firstly, as we know, Housey is India's first real estate platform जो होम बायर को सीधा बिल्डर्स के साथ कनेक्ट करता है and giving you the best bottom rates without any markup charges and any brokerage. Housey consists of 350 plus RERA certified professional with presence in 6 major cities of India: Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore as well as Gurgaon. Over 6,000 plus happy families have bought their dream home through Housey with 75,000 plus genuine home buyer site visit. Talking about Google reviews, we have 1500 plus positive reviews on Google. After hearing all these things, यहाँ जहाँ जाना बंद कर दीजिए, आ जाइए housey.com पर और अपना सपनों का घर बुक कर लीजिए with builders through Housey. Do not forget to visit the website, which is www.housey.com. So in this teaser, we'll be revealing and discussing few points. First, which is project overview, amenities, location, booking process, carpet area as well as launch discounts. Let's come to the first point, which is the project overview. As we know, Oberoi Realty is a big name in the market. They have acquired 17 acres of land with 6 towers, in which 2 towers have already been launched with the concept of G+60, giving you the configuration of 3 BHK and 4 BHK and so on. Let's talk about location area. Oberoi Realty's upcoming project is situated in Pokhran Road number 2, Thane West. Gives you the best location for you to have your dream home. Firstly, it is quite close to Bethany Hospital, which is hardly 200 meters. Talking about Eastern Express Highway, which is 1 kilometers ahead. Talking about Thane Railway Station, it is 4 kilometers, as well as Metro Station with the whooping distance of 1.5 kilometers. Viviana Mall is quite popular over here and one of the biggest mall, which is situated in just 2 kilometers away of this project. Now let's come to the amenities part. As we know, Oberoi Realty delivers one of the luxurious projects in the town. So the amenities have to be luxurious as well. Giving you 40 plus luxurious amenities, you name the amenity and they have it. Let us mention few of them. Gymnasium, as well as mini theatre, swimming pool, as well as kids play area and so much more. You name the amenity and they already have it. Now let's come to the carpet area. Giving you the best luxury. 3 BHK starts with 1350 to 1400 square feet. Talking about 4 BHK, which starts from 1750 square feet to 1800 square feet, giving you all the useful area. Now let's talk about booking process. Booking process is quite simple as our booking windows are open. Client can come, make a call and also visit the site. All our executives will guide you throughout the project, explain you about the pros and everything, giving you the pricing as well with the 3D model. Let's talk about exclusive launch offers. Clients can pay their token amount and also get so many offers under their name. Clients can have access to exclusive launch offers and discounts by paying the token amount. Secondly, as we know, you get the preferred choice and selection of inventory. That means you can select your own inventory in the project. Third one is the 100% refundable amount. That means if you pay the token, it is 100% refundable from our side if you change your mind. We are right now standing in front of the location. You can see this is the 17 acres of land parcel with a lot of greenery. You can see green lush trees with so many beautiful societies already over here. Giving access with this road, you can take directly to the Eastern Express Highway, making it easier for your location shoot. This was all the teaser about Oberoi Realty's newly launched project located in Pokhran Road 2, Thane West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.